Good morning, traders. This is your Dow Jones daily setup. So I forgot about the public holiday yesterday. Actually, only realized late into the open. Though I suppose the analysis still stands. But one thing I do have here is just put in your levels. So there's my first swing low that I'd like to see us target. And then obviously you have another one there. And then the last one is pretty much there. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing, taking it off the tops. There's the top of this tail here, and top of those two tails there, and then top of this tail here. Well, those are my levels to the downside. Trend is up, and obviously what I'm looking for is a long entry. Okay, if we just move down to the 4-hour. Okay, so we haven't had much net movement with the public holiday yesterday, so pretty much in a channel at the moment. And yeah, nothing really else that you can see there. Let's just get to the hour. And what you see here is pretty much a little bit of a down channel forming. We are still by the alligator, so trend is still up, even though this was a very strong move. So the probability of us coming down to these lower levels is probably not that good. So I think for me, it's a case of waiting for the European Open, see what happens there, and we can sort of draw in our trend lines there. So we have a bit of a triangle consolidation pattern, and obviously a break either way is the direction we're going to head. If we do get below 25,860, then I would assume that 25,740 would be a good area to get long, and 25,646 would be an even better area. So 25,740 or 25,640. Those are the areas that I'd be looking for a decent long entry. But looking at what I see at the moment, I don't think that's going to happen. One thing that is positive if you're long is the fact that there was a really strong move on a Friday, and we closed on our high on a Friday. Okay, so normally what would happen is you'd have a move like that, and then you'd get people getting out of it over the weekend. That didn't happen. People were buying all the way into the close, and they're still holding. So you probably find that their stops are below this pin bar here. So stops are below 25,740. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. Still looking for longs. At this stage, we are in the alligator. And while we are in the alligator, we are not trending, we are ranging, and this is the range. So if we just do that, put that as our bottom of the range, and put that as our top of the range. Okay, so bottom of the range I've got set as 25,860, and top of the range is 25,935. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. If you look at the half hour, we are sort of trailing above the alligator at the moment, but I think what I'm looking for is a break of either one of these levels. Okay, if we do break the downside, then keep your levels that I showed you just now, keep them drawn in, because those are the areas that you're going to tag for another move to the upside. Okay, so that's basically me for now, looking for longs, but obviously just looking for a half decent setup, and that half decent setup may just come off for 12 minutes as well. Okay, so until we break through this range, there is no direction, so we just wait for a range break. Anyway guys, short and sweet, that's me for today. Hope it helps, and I will catch you later. Cheers for now.